What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this gradient ombre look, and I'm gonna let you guys just watch this video and relax today. We're gonna do a Q&A, answering some questions that you guys asked me on Instagram, so let's get right into it. First question is, what got you into dip powder? I got into dip powder because my best friend McKenna was telling me about it when she used to go to the salon, and she was like, yo, this stuff is really cool, like your natural nails will grow so long and so fast. And I was like, what? I really want to try this. So I ended up looking it up online and finding Revel because I wanted to just try it myself and see if I could do it rather than going to the salon and having somebody else do it, because I had been burned by the salon many times. So I kind of swear them off unless it's for pedicures. But yeah, so she got me into dip powder pretty much, and then I showed her Revel after that, and then now we do our nails together, and it's really fun. So that's what got me into dip powder. Alright, next question is favorite dip brand right now. I would have to say my favorite dip brand right now is XOX Nails. I am obsessed with everything that she creates. I highly suggest checking out her page because everything she makes is just flawless. I can't stop picking up her swatch ring. It's every time I go to do my nails, I gravitate to her swatch ring. Of course, I don't always pick everything that I find on her ring because I don't want to just do XOX because you guys would probably hate me. So I try to switch it up for you guys. But yeah, XOX Nails, probably my favorite right now. Another question is, what are your favorite small business dip brands? Your nails are gorgeous always. Thank you, girl. I love you. Favorite small business dip brands would be Miss Raven, XOX Nails, Pampered Pretties, and Nova Nails. I really love those shops. Honestly, I've tried a lot of good small business dip brands. Some I've only done like 1 or 2 colors of, so I'm not gonna like say that they're my favorite because it wouldn't be a fair judgment, but there are lots of other good ones out there like OG Dip Powder, Disco Dips. I love them. I really want to try DNA dips, so if you guys have tried them before, do you like them? Because I really want to try those. But yeah, those are some of my favorite small business dip brands. Oh, I forgot to say this one because I wanted to answer this one after I answered the what got you into dip powder. But this one says, how long have you been doing your nails? I have been doing dip powder nails since last May. But my sister and I have always been into like nail polish. We've tried acrylic nails a really long time ago. We used to do a little bit of gel sometimes. We've just always somehow found ourselves doing nails within our life. I mean, as every girl has, as every girl has, but yeah, we've just always loved nails. It's one of our favorite things to do together, so it was nice to finally find something that we've stuck to, because we've tried so many nail things before, but dip powder's just really stuck with us. It's worked the best, so yeah, that's how long I've been doing my nails. Okay, next question is, have you ever dipped your toes? I have dipped my toes. When I was a beginner, I honestly dipped my toes a lot. I really liked dip toes. I don't do them anymore because they last way too long. I mean, now I know about peel base, so I guess I could do them and just pop them off, but that's a lot of work. I'm not as enthusiastic about dip toes as I used to be as a beginner, because you know, that stuff is fun. Like, you want to try everything when you're a beginner. But those days are over now. I don't necessarily love to dip my toes unless I'm going on like a vacation. Then dipping toes is a yes for me because it's worth it and it lasts long and they're gonna be cute and they can match with my manicure. So okay, maybe now I want to do dip toes again. So thanks for that. Okay, next question. I need cuticle help. Mine are dry, crusted, and make my mani look bad. I would say 1, invest in a cuticle oil. Those are my ride or dies. I apply them every single day, very religiously. So definitely get a cuticle oil. Some brands that I like are Candy Skincare, Scales of a Mermaid, Grimes Ridge. Yeah, there's lots of good ones out there. Definitely get a cuticle oil or something like that. Also, you may need to clip your cuticles. I clip my cuticles all the time because they grow really, really fast. But if you are going to clip your cuticles, just make sure that you look up a cuticle chart before you do so you know where you're cutting. Also, I like to dry cut my cuticles, so I cut them before I put on cuticle remover, and I push them back with a glass cuticle pusher first, and then I cut them. So definitely recommend doing that if you need to, but you don't have to. I know a lot of people don't do that because it can be bad for you and it can lead to infection if you're not cutting them the way that you should be, so just watch out for that. But yeah, those are my tips for cuticle help. I will have to make a cuticle prep / what I do before I apply dip powder video so you guys can see like how I cut my cuticles and all that good stuff, and how I file my natural nails and all the stuff that I use for that. But also, you guys, please remember that I am not a professional, so should you follow me in my advice of cuticle nipping, that's for you to decide. Do your research. If it sounds like something that you think you can do or you think that will be safe for you and your body, then come along. But if not, then that's totally fine. Just do your research, okay? Because I don't want to give you guys bad advice. Or potentially harmful advice, more so. This is just the stuff that works for me, so that's what the video would be, but yeah, I'll have to do that. Okay, this next question kind of goes back to back with that last one. How do you get your cuticles so clean? So again, I'm going to make a video about this soon, maybe when I do my teabag tip video. That might be perfect. What I do to get my cuticles clean, I just file around my cuticles at the end when I'm filing, and that's usually all I do. I also try to keep my base liquid a hairline away from my cuticle line so that it doesn't get flooded, and that helps me just keep that area a little bit more clean. I've also recently been using cuticle remover and taking a glass cuticle pusher, the little pointy end, and just running that around my cuticle lines just to make sure there's like no dip powder down there or anything, and that actually helps me leave like a really clean line. So I've been loving doing that recently. Ooh, okay, so this question says, what is your favorite type of mani to create? Actually, the one I'm doing right now in this video. I love gradient nails. I think they're so cute, and they're a fun way to use more colors in one mani, and I love that. I also really just love one color manis. I think they're simple, they're sweet, they're straight to the point, they're so classy. Ugh, I just love them. I wish I did them more often, but I kind of feel like other people think they're boring or something. I don't really know. Maybe I'm crazy, but yeah, I really like one color manis too. So those are my favorite manis to create. Also, I'm curious, do you like one color manis or do you think they're boring? I gotta know the answer to this. Okay, next question, and this is actually the last nail related question, and then I have a couple personal questions, and then we'll be done with the Q&A. So the question is, what are your tips for a new nail YouTuber? Okay, well, being a new nail YouTuber, I don't know if I'm very qualified to answer this question, but I would say my advice would be to just dive right in and don't be scared. My girl Chelsea helped me out a lot with YouTube, and she's honestly the reason that I'm here. And I'm so thankful and grateful for all the advice that she gave me, and she pushed me every single day. Every single day she said, Tessa, what are you waiting for? Like, just start YouTube. You're so great. Like, you're gonna do amazing. Just do it. There's no reason to wait. And I was like, you know what? You're right. But I was like, well, I don't know how to edit a video, and what if they're not good enough? And what if my voice is stupid? And what if I say the wrong things? Like, whatever, it's life. People mess up, people say the wrong stuff. Like, I trip over my words constantly and I sound kind of stupid, but I literally don't care. Like, I'm helping you guys do what you love and how to improve a skill, and that's what makes it all worth it at the end of the day when I upload these videos and you guys say like how much they've helped you. And that's really what I love about this community, and that's why YouTube's so great, is because I get to meet and talk to so many new people and help you guys out. So yeah, it's really rewarding and it's super awesome. So definitely get a YouTube. All the other things don't matter. You will learn, you'll adapt, you'll figure it out. After you post that one video, that's all you gotta do, and then you'll be hooked. I promise. That's what happened with me. Okay, I don't have a ton of time to answer these last few personal questions, but this one says, any siblings? Yes, I have 2 siblings, my brother Tim and my sister Taylor. Taylor actually has a nail Instagram as well, Tazy Nails. Go follow her. I will leave her Instagram in the bio as well. My brother Tim, I love him to death. I miss him so much. I don't get to see him as much as I would like to, but I love you, dude. Also love you too, McKenna. I know you're watching. Mwah. Any pets? Yes, I have 2 pets. I actually have 3. I have a cat named Bugga. She lives at my mom's. I have a dog named Cosmo. He's a 3-year-old husky, and a 5-month-old husky named Willow, my baby girl. I love them so much. I also love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.